Dear students, in this video I'll be explaining the data type Python data type dictionary. Dictionary. So here two data types which we have seen in the previous videos is list and the tuple. So list is also the data type which is modifiable and changeable, and also we can assign the different values, and heterogeneous and ordered collection, duplicate elements, all things are added, indexing and slicing is also done, and functions and methods are also exist. But the only difference in the tuples is we cannot modify, rest of the thing everything will be same. But in dictionary, it is a slight changes wherein dictionary is a unordered collections of elements, as well as it is represented by curly braces, and also it is used to store the data in the form of keys and value pairs. So I'll explain that. So before going to this, what is the use of using this dictionary is it can be used for to model the real world entities, like for example to creating a quiz, as well as to create a number of quiz files randomly to generate a quiz file. So all these are used in the real world entity. So same thing, a data structure in data type Python data structure or data type by dictionary is the most important data types that is to be learned. Now dictionary, so as I told, it is represented in the form of curly braces and denoted by curly braces, and also used to store the data values in the form of keys and value pairs. So key value pairs means that is separated with the colon in between the keys and value pairs. Key is a, for example, if I say the company, particular company is a key and the value is MNC's company, that is Wipro, TCS, Tech Mahindra, all this comes under the value. So in such a way you have to store the data values in the form of key and value pairs. Dictionary are unordered. Dictionary are unordered, so where in which like ordered collections of elements in the list, as you store the elements, so same thing will be displayed. But in dictionary, whatever the elements you store, so it will not be displayed in the ordered way. So both the list and the dictionary store the elements in different data types. So same here also, both the list and the dictionary they store elements of different data types of an integer, floating point. Everything can be stored, and also only one thing condition here is holds unique key but value can be duplicate. While you're storing the elements, in the list all the elements can be duplicate, but here while storing the elements it should have a unique key, but that is a unique key, but it can be the values can be duplicate. So this is where you have to know that as dictionary curly braces used to store the value pairs, keys and value pairs, and dictionary are unordered. Both the list and dictionary pairs in same way, while the accessing the elements or storing the elements in different data type. But only the unique ways but value have to be unique keys, and the value can be the duplicate, but key have to be unique. These are the number of points where you have to know while working with the dictionary.